Hey everyone, here with OEM Dirt Bike Parts. Got this 02 520 SX 4-speed in today. It's in pretty good shape. It's actually on the original tire still. Let's see here, this is the 39mm FCR carb version with, it's got the 48mm forks for this year. Smaller axle still, but pretty much the same diameter forks as you got till 14. Radiators are super straight, as you can tell. The rims, I mean, there's no damage to them at all, since those are the stock tires, no scratches. Really clean bike, especially for this year. And yeah, all the parts are for sale, so anything you need off this bike definitely fits. 00 to 02 RFS engines, which is what this is, 400 to 450 to 525. So give us a call if you need anything. And we definitely have a lot of stuff for KTM, so 2-stroke, 4-stroke, 2000 and up, pretty much got you covered. Let us know. Thank you.